Hello everyone, welcome to our Enamel Frits factory. Joylong Chemicals has been a professional producer and a supplier of enamel frits
more than 20 years.
Today we will show you the process of enamel frits production. Picking, choose the right chemical raw material with the enamel frit need mixing. Make all the raw material mix up, then put all materials into furnace for furring. Change the mixed material into enamel frit. Filtering, dry the water in enamel frit. Packing, put its enamel frit into package, almost 25 kilograms per bag. We have 2 to 3 sets furnace for our granular enamel frit production. Every day, our fruits output is around 30 to 40 metric tons. Round coat fruits and white cover fruits and colored cover fruits are available. If you have any questions about enamel frits, please feel free to contact us. We can see here, this is our powdered enamel frit production workshop. We have total 10 to 15 sets for new equipment. We put pre-mixed granular form enamel frits into ball mill, then pre-grinding powder or ready-to-use powder frits is available. We can ball mill powder frits 30 to 40 metric tons every day. Powdered frits is very easy to operate when coating them. In metal body, you can add water only and mixing and stirring. Then a pre-coating or deep coating or roll coating are okay. Now we can see here is our finished product room. Our enamel frits can be widely used in medium and high-end domestic cookwares and enamelware, barbecue oven, grill and enamel bathtub, enamel household appliances and utensils, water heater inner tank, enamel panels for construction in the subway, air preheater, heat exchanger, enamel reactor, gas stoves, etc. Meantime, our enamel frits have very good adherence and good opacity and glass with clean and fine surface.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.